Tara, Sling, Zulu Sierra Delta is approaching Karam at 1,500 feet. Receive Tango inbound.
Zulu Sierra, Oscar Ram Tower, join downwind runway 17 right.
Downwind 17 right, Zulu Sierra Delta.
Kamakani, Namaste. Hello everyone. It's been really a long time since I have connected online. I have missed everything, right from challenging flying to making videos, connecting with everyone. I've always wanted to upgrade myself, fly aircraft, challenge, and push me to my limits. And here I am, with Almighty's blessings, Shri and Sarah's support, my instructors, time and a lot of hard work. I'm now flying this lovely aircraft called Airplane Factory Sling 2. This is a modern aircraft. It's a two-seater aircraft. It comes with glass cockpit, glass canopy. It gives you the feeling of a fighter jet, really.
Okay, this one accelerates really fast.
Really
climbs like a jet.
Okay.
I've trained with a couple of instructors, and I'm really thankful to them for helping me upgrade to this aircraft. I had my own challenging times. I've done a lot of mistakes while learning this aircraft, but at the end of the day, I'm happy and glad that finally I could jump on and fly. I'm on my way back home. Welcome aboard. See you on the runway.
Lilydale traffic, Zulu Sierra Delta is rolling on runway 36 right for a downwind departure to the south. Lilydale traffic. So we are above Cardinia Reservoir, which is huge. And I always love coming here, and I thought I'll make a quick, small, orbiter on this one so that I can show you guys how lovely it feels flying over this one. It is so massive. You can spot this from 50 miles, I reckon. And you have a lot of greenery around that. Beautiful area. Hope you enjoy this one.
Zulu Sierra Delta, clear to land.
Clear to land, Zulu Sierra Delta.